Here are all our puppies combined. The puppies finally graduated to one big group. Who's your daddy? Puppies? Hi, sleeping beauties. This is the best time of day when they're all sleeping. What do we have down here? One big blue puppy. We got one little puppy. I think that's Yellow Ribbon, and I have no idea who the other one is. What's this? What's this right here? Oh, that's Red. That's the red girl. Sedona's puppies have mastered the doggy door in about 5 minutes. All they did was follow Lexi's puppies out. It's so cute. They all look like little polar bears. There's 10 days difference between the two litters. Okay guys, get some sleep. We got a busy day tomorrow. So cute when they're sleeping. It's much safer to go in the laundry room when they're sleeping too. Might actually save a toe. Bye guys. Good night. Love the little black faces on the white puppy fur. Oh, Daddy, you're waking him up. Go back to sleep. Bye.